Hello everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. This is Ozzy here again. Today we have a fragrance review for you guys. Again, a post-usage review. Today's fragrance is Bvlgariwoodneroli. I got this and I've been using it for about 2 months, and it is an Eaudeparfum 60 ml version. I got this from Amazon for $40, which is a absolute steal. So yeah, if you can still find it for that price, definitely go for it. You have the packaging, which is green cardboard. You have Bvlgari written in gold font at the top. Then you have Bvlgari Man written in the center on a light brown background with gold rim, and then you have Wood Neroli written inside as well. And then on the sides you have nothing, top nothing, back just the ingredients, and the bottom you have the batch code, barcode, and all that stuff. So let's take it out. And then you open it, you have some usage instructions on how to rotate the cap for locking and using. So let's check it out. This is a small bottle, as you can see. Nice, small, and easy to hold. You have a plastic top with a plastic cap. On the top you have a dark brown circular insert with some radiating lines and Bvlgari written on the edge, as is typical for the design. You rotate the cap towards the front and now you can use it. If you rotate it back clockwise, it locks. Rotate anti-clockwise, it becomes open when it's facing towards you. You have a glass bottle, and you have a recess on the bottom. It says Bvlgari Man on the front, Wood Neroli, and yeah, and the bottom you have this one, I believe is, let me see if I can read it. This is an Eaudeparfum made in Italy, 60 mils. So yeah, so let's give it a shot. Let's see how it feels. Very nice. Not the best atomizer, but still pretty good. It does the job. Yeah, love the fragrance. This is a great fall winter fragrance. And even spring. Fall, winter, and spring are really when it absolutely shines. Perfect for daytime. I would recommend more for daytime than nighttime, but it is really good. Let me read the notes out for you guys. This was launched in 2019. The nose behind this is Alberto Moria's, and it is Neroli, bergamot at the top. In the middle you have orange blossom, you have Virginia cedar and cypriol oil or Nagarmota. And then at the base notes you have wood notes, white musk, ambergris, amber, and leather. And yeah, definitely I can sense the wood, leather, and Neroli vibe in this. It is so fougere. It's a perfect green fragrance. You can see green fluid inside here too. May not be as apparent because of the background I'm using, but it is green liquid. And I absolutely think this is a great fragrance for, especially considering the price that I paid for it. Has great sillage, great projection, lasts very long. Because an Eaudeparfum, it sits very close to the skin and it projects slowly. So the sillage is brilliant. Projection maybe not so great. However, people who are around you at mid distance or up close will definitely sense this on you. It will not, it might not cut through the crowd to like the next room, but it still has a very good presence. And because of this, it lasts really long. I put this on and I would say the longevity is anywhere between 8 to 10 hours easily. And its strength starts to fade away after about 6, but for me, 8 to 10 hours, I could smell it on myself. And for that reason, I do highly recommend this. It's a great addition. If you don't have a green fragrance in your closet and you are looking to get one, this is probably the most modern and easy one to wear. A lot of the green fragrances have a barbershop vibe to it, and because of that, it may smell like your dad's or your old uncle's perfume, and you don't want to wear it. But this is a really modern take on green fragrance, and it's very easy to pull off, very easy to wear, great for all situations, casual, semi-formal, maybe not super formal, but casual and semi-formal, absolutely perfect for those. And for that reason, I highly recommend it. And that's it for today's review, guys. I will come back to you guys with other fragrance and reviews of watches and other stuff very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.